Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this video we're going to talk about emojis, emotions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say each emotions slowly, and you can repeat also after me. So if you like these kind of videos, you can definitely hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you know somebody who is really interested in learning Farsi, Dari, English, Uzbek, Pashto, you can let him know. We have expert tutors on our in our company, so you can also check the trial lesson down in the description for more details. All right, everybody, let's get the ball rolling. So the first picture is happy. So how do we say, if I say he's happy, she's happy? In Farsi Dari we don't have masculine and feminine. We just have and we can say او است. So if I say he's happy, how would I put it? او خوشحال است. او خوشحال است. There's another adjective, او خوش است, which is he's happy. او خوش است, or you can say او خوشحال است. او خوشحال است. Now if you conjugate it with some other personal pronouns, if I say I'm happy, ما خوش هستم. ما خوش هستم. If it is you, تو خوش هستی. تو خوش هستی. And if you want to say it more in a formal way, you can say شما خوش هستین. شما خوش هستین. So if it is ما, like if I say we are happy, ما خوش هستیم. If it is they, اونا خوش هستن. Okay, now let's go to next. Now if you want to make this one negative, like if you say he's not happy or she's not happy, او خوش نیست. او خوش نیست. او خوش نیست. I can also add here a adverb, which is today. او امروز خوش است. او امروز خوش است. He's happy today. If I say I'm happy today, how would I put it? ما امروز خوش هستم. ما امروز خوش هستم. If I say that I'm not happy, ما امروز خوش نیستم. ما امروز خوش نیستم. If it is like we, ما امروز خوش نیستیم. Okay, the next one. او خفه است. او خفه است. خفه is upset. او خفه است. او خفه است. If it is like if I say he or she's upset today, او امروز خفه است. او امروز خفه است. Now this one is angry. For angry we say قار. او قار است. او قار است. If I say I'm angry, ما قار استم. ما قار استم. And the next one, this is I think this is frightened. Somebody is frightened here. This emoji shows that this person is frightened. For frightened, we say او ترسیده. او ترسیده. او, he or she is afraid or frightened. او ترسیده. If I say I am frightened, ما ترسیدم. ما ترسیدم. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. This is surprised. So if I say this person is surprised, I can say او غافلگیر شده. او غافلگیر شده. غافلگیر is to be surprised. او غافلگیر شده. Literally this means he has become or she has become surprised, but it's the equivalent of he is surprised or she's surprised. او غافلگیر شده. And now the next one, this is somebody who's ashamed. I can say او شرمیده. او شرمیده. او شرمیده. If I say we are shy or we are ashamed, ما شرمیدیم. ما شرمیدیم. If it is they, اونا شرمیدن. اونا شرمیده. Alright, the next one is this is worried. او بتشویش است. او بتشویش است. He, literally this means he is in worry. او بتشویش است. Or I can say او تشویشی است. او تشویشی است. یا او تشویش میکند. He is worried. او تشویش میکند is the most common one. او تشویش میکند. او تشویش میکند. He is worried about something. او تشویش میکند. Alright, the next one. This one is somebody who's sick. او مریض است. او مریض است. I can also add adverb here. او امروز مریض است. If I say I'm sick today, ما امروز مریض هستم. Alright, this person is hurt. He's hurt. او خود اوگار کرده. او خود اوگار اوگار کردن is to hurt yourself. او خدا اوگار کرده. He or she has hurt him or herself. او خدا اوگار کرده. So the next one, او کثیف است. کثیف is somebody who is dirty, or messy. او کثیف است. او کثیف است. And there is another synonym of کثیف, it is چتل. او چتل است. چتل is it could be very impolite. It's not a good word. So if you describe somebody, he's چتل, you mean he's very, very dirty. But kasif is also kind of close to that one, but not that much impolite. All right, so the next one. So here we see this person is mischievous, so we can say او شوخ است. او شوخ است. او شوخ است. If I say you are شوخ, شما شوخ هستین, or تو شوخ هستی, you are naughty or you are mischievous. Okay, this one, او گریه میکنه. او گریه میکنه. او گریه میکنه. He cries. او گریه میکنه. And this one is او هیجانی است. Maybe he's excited here. او هیجانی است. او هیجانی است. او هیجانی است. If I say he is excited today, او امروز هیجانی است. Okay, this one is جگرخون. جگرخون, somebody who is very sad. So او جگرخون است. او جگرخون است. If I say they are جگرخون today, امروز, so how would I say today? Today, sorry. اونا امروز جگرخون هستند. اونا امروز جگرخون هستند. او خوالود است. This one is sleepy. او خوالود است. او خوالود است. او خوالود است. او خوالود است. So he's sleepy. Or I can also say او را خو گرفته. او را خو گرفته. He's falling asleep, like he feels sleepy. او را خو گرفته. او را خو گرفته. Okay, if I say we are sleepy, ما را خو گرفته. ما را خو گرفته. خو گرفته, literally it means the sleep taken us, or the sleep is taken us, yeah. But it's the equivalent of we are sleepy. And this one is thirsty, maybe no, not thirsty. Oh, so this is tired. So او خسته است. او خسته است. او خسته است. He is tired. If I say he has become tired, او خسته شده. او خسته شده. او خسته شده. او خسته شده. If I say I am tired, or I became tired today, ما امروز خسته هستم, or ما امروز خسته شدیم. ما امروز خسته شدیم. And the next one, او تشنه است. او تشنه است. تشنه is thirsty. او تشنه است. If I ask you, are you thirsty? شما تشنه هستین. شما تشنه هستین. Or if it is like تو تشنه هستی. تو تشنه هستی. Excuse me. او گشنه است. او گشنه است. او گشنه است. Or I can say او گشنه شده. او گشنه شده. He is or she is become hungry. او گشنه شده. Or او گشنه است. Either you can say او گشنه است or او گشنه شده است. So the most common one is او گشنه شده است. او گشنه شده. And this one, او را سردی گرفته. او را سردی گرفته. یا او خنک میخوره. Let's say this is او خنک خورده. او خنک خورده. او خنک خورده. خنک is cold. خورده is like he has hit coldness. او خنک خورده. او خنک خورده. And the last one is او گرمی کرده. او گرمی کرده. گرمی کرده is like he's hot. He's getting hot. او گرمی کرده. او گرمی کرده. Alright everybody, that is the end of the video for today's lesson. Hopefully you like this video, and if you have questions or anything, you can definitely ask us in the comment section. And if you want to study with one of our tutors, you can definitely check our website at www.gaplanguages.com. We also put the links for our trial lessons in the down in the description. Alright everybody, take care. Khuda Hafiz.